Mario one here. Well, out of this vacuum cleaner collection, what one will I be showing you today? Let's have a look. Yes, this one. I just received this one today. I bought it used from eBay for £70, which is about $130, $140. They retail, this specific one retails for around £100 or $200. So I got a good deal on it. It's in superb condition. Henry. Numatic Internationals, who makes Henry. And let's have a look here. Probably can't see this very well, but it's the HVR 200 22 model. It's got the 1200 watt motor, but on the low setting, charger on the top most of the time, it's only 1000 watts. And serial number is 0711. That's the first 4 digits. 07 means 2007, 11 means November. It was made in November 2007. And it's got the old rocker style switches instead of the one switch which is mounted here for the high and low, and the little push one on the modern ones made past 2009. The only thing I've replaced is just about an hour ago I went down to my local, what's called Green Home. It's a recycling store. They sell everything, including vacuum cleaner parts, really cheap. And the nozzle that was on this when I first got it, really badly scuffed. It was a longer version as well. It went up to about there, and it was very badly scuffed around here. So I went up, got myself another one for 25 pence or 50 cents. No scuffs at all. Gave it a rinse under the tap to get the dust off, and it's brand new condition. The hose is a really good strong one. You can barely even press it with your hand. Yeah. It's got the casters with the 2 fixed wheels on the rear. Let's have a quick look under the cover. Okay. Brand new filter fitted. It's still warm because I was using it. Paper bag, not the HEPA flow, but I don't care. I don't need HEPA bags, so I don't have asthma or anything. But if you did have asthma, that you would need high efficiency particle arrest bags. That's about it for this video on the Henry. There will be more. Remember, subscribe guys.